Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you guys my slime corner. So let's get started. Okay guys, sorry just now the introduction, like my camera just went out of focus. But this is my slime corner. If you guys notice, it's actually a cupboard. But then, this is my slime corner. So I'm going to show you guys what's in there. There is actually a wooden spoon, and it's actually to make slime, honey slime. And there's a mixing tool here to make whatever slimes. There is this tool. It's actually some tool for the cupboard, so it's not related to slime. There is this glass with stirrer. It's not related to slime, but I think it's super cute, so I'll just put it here. And then I have a couple of these containers. I have this watermelon one, this orange one, this lemon one, and this strawberry one. And I have these two sushi containers. It's actually the sushi lid. I actually washed it and is like bowl for my slime. My 1 month slime collection. Every month I'll put my slime like in this month here, and after the month I'll actually put the slime into a plastic bag, and I have like 5 bags now. And this is this month, and tomorrow is January, so this will be put in a plastic bag. So I have a contact lens solution cover. Inside is actually 2 mini slimes, and one of them is my homemade slime. I actually showed you guys. I have a video of it, so go check it out. Then I have a container with the lid. Small mini container to put mini slimes, a container with many leads, actually the same container, a bottle of contact solution, is actually an activator, another glass mug, it's like a cup, I think it's super cute too, so I put it here, 3 bottles of non-PVA glue and 2 bottles of PVA glue. They are all clear glue, 2 bottles of shaving foam, 1 toothpaste, 1 bottle of shampoo, some salt to make no glue slime, 2 bottles, 2 bags, whatever it's called, of 2 packets of baking soda. And yeah, that's basically what's in my slime corner. And yeah, I also have this mini container. This is actually a contact lens container. I don't know why I just put it in my slime corner. Then yeah, I have a couple of videos of slime, and they're all here. Oopsies, I actually knocked it out, but it's okay. I'm gonna put it out later. Oh yeah, I have some glitters here. Then some food coloring. One food coloring. I have a lot of paint outside. It's not in my slime corner because my slime corner is so small. But then I'm actually going to get a bigger slime corner, so this is actually going to... I'm actually going to clean this up. I'm going to have a bigger slime corner. But yeah, that is the end of today's video. I hope that you guys give a like and subscribe to my channel, and please share my videos to your friends, relatives, or people that you want to share my video to. Bye!